In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI in order to put captions on the videos that you produce. So I'm using this tool called Pictory, and Pictory allows us to upload our video and then use AI to actually make incredible edits to our videos. So what I'm going to be doing here is going in and taking our latest video and uploading that to the actual service itself. Then you click on proceed and tell it how many speakers are in the video. Then you wait while AI works its magic in the background. All right, now check out this magic. So it has taken the video and transcribed all of the text from the video. So now we can take this, take it over to ChatGPT, get it turned into a blog post, get it turned into a video description, get it turned into everything that we need in order to actually rank for a keyword on our website. But what it has also done is it has taken all of this and put it as captions on the video. And down here, you can select the style that you want your captions to be in. We've got our style picked out. And now we're going to check this box here that says remove filler words, and that'll take out any of your ahs or ums that you have in your video, and then remove silences. And I love this because what it does is it shortens down your video. If you've got long pauses in the video between segments or between sections, so you don't actually have to use video editing software in order to do it, it automatically pulls it out. So now we've got our captions completely done on our video, and all we have to do is click on generate video. We have a beta test going on right now for us to do all of your SEO for you. You can email chris@connectionincorporated.com. That's chris@connectionincorporated.com. We'll set up a call, make sure that we can actually help you, and then get you in on the beta. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.